Hello everyone, welcome back. Now let's get started with our animated birthday greeting. So class, please remember to log into your class account so that I can check your work, okay? Once done, click on create. We're going to make a new project today. Alright, change the title of your project. We're going to give it your name and birthday greeting. Okay, so your name followed by the title birthday greeting. Once done, delete off the cat sprite. We're going to add different sprites and the backdrop bit by bit as we code. Okay, so let's go to stage first. We're going to add a background. I'm going to look for the party backdrop. Okay, once done, I'm going to add some birthday music in the background. So let's go to sounds. I don't want this sound. This is not the birthday music, so delete this. Let's add the birthday sound from the sound library. Okay, let's add this in. Go back to code panel. We're going to start coding. So today we're going to use the space bar to activate the whole project. Okay, so today we're going to use the space key. When we press the space key on our keyboard, we are going to forever play the music birthday. Okay, so this will allow us to control the music using our space key that goes like this. Nice! Let's move on to the first sprite. We're going to add a birthday cake. So let's go to our sprite button, look for a cake sprite. Okay, there it is. Add this in. Okay, you can move it on the screen to position it where you want. Now for the cake sprite, we're going to make this cake sprite appear, grow bigger and smaller, bigger and smaller. So how do we do this? Events. When the space key is pressed, we are going to forever go to looks, change our size of the cake by 50. Okay, and then after that, we're going to add a little waiting time. Wait 1 second, or maybe you do a bit faster, 0.5 seconds. We are going to duplicate this code. Now we do the opposite direction, change size by -50. So now it goes smaller. Okay, now class, you will notice that when you put this code in, if you accidentally activate the first code, oh dear, you will have a huge cake. So how do we make the size go back to normal at the start? Go to your looks block, take out a set size block. There we go. When space key is pressed, put it here, set size to 100%. So when you activate the code again, okay, so it should go back to normal. Alright? Okay, so for this cake sprite, we're going to make it have a bit of a costume change. So if you notice, you go to costumes, you will see that our cake has two costumes, candle off and candle on. So we're going to add this code in. Alright, forever, next costume, change size by 50, wait 0.5 seconds, and then we're going to do next costume again, change size by -50 and wait before it repeats. Okay, now let's see how this whole thing works. There we go, so it also has the costume change effect. Very nice, let's move on to the next sprite, dancing monkey. So let's choose a monkey. There it is. Okay, we're going to put our monkey on the right side over here. Now, when the space bar is pressed, we want the monkey to say the words happy birthday. So let's go to looks, take out this block, say, and we're going to change it to happy birthday. And we're going to make the monkey dance forever. Okay, so under this, we're going to add forever, looks, next costume, and after each costume change, we need to add a little bit of a waiting time before you get your code to repeat. Okay, so maybe we do about 0.2. That will be great. So let's test this out. 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Okay, let's continue. Third sprite now. We are going to add a flying dove or a flying sprite. Okay, so I'm going to search for dove. This dove is going to change costume, flap the wings, and turn around. Okay, so again, when the space bar is pressed, I want my dove to forever. It's going to change to the next costume, flap its wings, and at the same time, it's going to turn. Okay, how many degrees, how much number of degrees you want it to turn is up to you. You can choose different number. And most importantly, add a little waiting time before it does the next action again. Okay, before it repeats. Okay, let's go. There it is. Nice. Now the very last sprite, we're going to add a balloon that glides randomly around the screen. So let's go to the sprite button. Look for a balloon sprite. There it is. Okay, you notice that the balloon also has some costumes. Yeah, different colors. So we're going to add the costume change as well. Okay, so again, when the space key is pressed, we are going to make the balloon forever looks, go to next costume, so it will change color, and then it will glide to a random position. Alright, once done, it's going to repeat again. Alright, so let's see how this works. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, excellent. So everyone, this is our code for today. Every sprite and everything in your Scratch project needs to have a code. So this is the balloon code, gliding. The dove code, turning and change costume. The monkey code, say happy birthday, forever change costume, so it's dancing. The cake, set size to 100, change size bigger, wait a while, change size minus smaller. Okay, so everyone, please make sure you have all the codes in all your project sprites and your backdrop, and then you can finally save your work. File save now, project save, then do a sign out. Okay, and you're done. Have fun today. Once you are done at this step, go back to eCampus, do that short reflection so that I know if you have followed the lesson well. And that's all. See you next time.